So I had already copied few lines from some website so that you can also read and think that for what purpose we use IEnumerable and IQueryable. So IEnumerable is in different namespace and IQueryable is in different namespace. That is one point, but that is not actual the difference. The second line, IEnumerable executes select query on the server side, load the data in memory on client side, and then filter the data. This is the important point to remember, guys. Execute the query on server side, then load the data in memory on client side, and then it will do the filtering job that we had written in our query. Another one is, if you read this one, IQueryable executes select query on server side with all filters. So which one is more efficient? If you look about the data transmission, all the filters are applied on server side, so we have less number of data. But in this case, though the query executed on server side, but the filter are applied in the last in client side. So data transmission will be there. The third line is suitable for querying data from memory. Collection like list array. So if you have some data in list array, yesterday we had done the talking, there are too many type of list containers in C#. Among them, if you want to do the just query inside the memory, then IEnumerable is the best. IEnumerable is beneficial for link to object and link to XML queries. Basically, it is related with memory data, in-memory data, and especially in the collection. Whereas IQueryable is suitable for the querying data from out of memory, like from database, services, kind of collections. So when you have an operation for link to SQL, then IQueryable is more valuable because in this time only we have a difference between the data transmission part. So as the filter are applied on server side, this will be more beneficial for the database purposes. So IEnumerable is generally used for dealing with the in-memory collection, whereas IQueryable is generally used to manipulate collections. So collection can be in memory, can be out of memory.